The annual science fair had finally arrived, bringing with it an air of excitement and anticipation that could be felt throughout the entire community. Students from various schools had spent weeks preparing their projects, poring over experiments, conducting research, and fine-tuning their presentations. The venue, a spacious exhibition hall adorned with vibrant banners and posters, buzzed with energy as eager participants set up their booths, transforming the space into a kaleidoscope of scientific wonders. As I entered the bustling fairground, I was immediately captivated by the kaleidoscope of colors and the hum of intellectual curiosity. The atmosphere was electric, filled with the scent of freshly printed posters and the low hum of excited conversations. The organizers had spared no effort in creating an immersive experience for visitors, ensuring that every inch of the hall was adorned with informative displays and eye-catching exhibits. My first stop was at a booth that beckoned me with the promise of unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. A group of enthusiastic high school students had embarked on a journey to explore the wonders of astronomy. Their project, aptly titled Celestial Odyssey, featured a meticulously crafted model of the solar system. Each planet hung in delicate balance, suspended by invisible threads, creating a miniature cosmic ballet. The students eagerly explained the intricacies of their project, detailing the relative sizes, distances, and orbital patterns of the celestial bodies. Moving on, I found myself drawn to a display that delved into the realm of environmental science. The project, titled Sustainable Solutions for a Greener Tomorrow, showcased innovative methods to address pressing environmental issues. A group of middle school students had ingeniously designed a miniature ecosystem, complete with a self-sustaining water purification system and a model of a green city. Their passion for environmental conservation shone through as they eloquently explained the importance of adopting eco-friendly practices in our daily lives. As I navigated through the maze of exhibits, I stumbled upon a booth that transported me into the fascinating world of robotics. The project, named Mechatronic Marvels, featured a collection of robots designed and programmed by a group of tech-savvy students. These robots ranged from simple line-following machines to sophisticated humanoid prototypes. The students eagerly demonstrated the capabilities of their creations, showcasing the seamless integration of sensors, actuators, and programming logic. One particularly impressive robot, aptly named Rover Explorer, caught my attention. This ingenious creation was equipped with cameras and sensors, capable of navigating through challenging terrains. The students explained how this technology could be utilized for tasks such as planetary exploration or search and rescue missions in disaster-stricken areas. The possibilities seemed limitless, and the passion in their voices echoed the boundless potential of the field. My journey through the science fair continued, leading me to a captivating exhibit on the intersection of biology and technology. The project, entitled Biotech Wonders, explored the fascinating world of bioinformatics and genetic engineering. A group of ambitious students had undertaken the challenge of unraveling the genetic code, using advanced computer algorithms to analyze DNA sequences and predict potential genetic disorders. Their presentation shed light on the ethical considerations surrounding genetic manipulation and the potential applications of biotechnology in medicine. The exhibit left me pondering the delicate balance between scientific progress and ethical responsibility, highlighting the need for careful reflection as we navigate the uncharted territories of genetic engineering. As I meandered through the diverse array of projects, I couldn't help but marvel at the depth of knowledge and creativity displayed by the young minds behind each exhibit. The science fair was not merely a showcase of academic prowess, but a testament to the insatiable curiosity that drives scientific inquiry. It was a celebration of innovation, collaboration, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. In a corner of the exhibition hall, I stumbled upon a booth that transported me back in time. The project, titled Historical Innovations, explored the intersection of science and history. A group of history enthusiasts had meticulously researched and recreated ancient inventions, showcasing the technological marvels of bygone eras. From the astrolabe of ancient Greece to the intricate clockwork mechanisms of medieval Europe, their exhibit highlighted the ingenuity of our forebears and the enduring impact of historical innovations on modern science. The science fair wasn't just about showcasing individual projects, it was also a platform for collaborative endeavors that transcended disciplinary boundaries. One such collaborative effort, titled Interdisciplinary Inquiry, brought together students from diverse backgrounds to address complex societal challenges. The project focused on the integration of science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics, STEAM, emphasizing the interconnectedness of these disciplines in solving real-world problems. The students presented their findings on a variety of topics, from designing sustainable urban environments to developing innovative healthcare solutions. It was inspiring to witness the seamless synergy between different fields of study, highlighting the importance of a holistic approach to problem-solving in the face of global challenges. As I approached the grand finale of the science fair, I found myself immersed in a spectacular display of physics and engineering prowess. The project, aptly named Physics Fiesta, showcased a series of interactive experiments that captivated both the young and the young at heart. From mesmerizing demonstrations of electromagnetic phenomena to gravity-defying contraptions, the exhibit was a testament to the exhilarating beauty of fundamental scientific principles. One particularly captivating experiment involved a colossal Newton's cradle, the rhythmic clacking of metal spheres illustrating the conservation of momentum with mesmerizing precision. Another exhibit showcased the wonders of optical illusions, challenging visitors' perceptions and inviting them to question the reliability of their senses. The students behind Physics Fiesta had masterfully transformed complex theoretical concepts into accessible and engaging experiences, proving that science could be both educational and entertaining. As the day drew to a close, I reflected on the multitude of experiences the science fair had offered. It was a journey through the realms of astronomy, environmental science, robotics, biology, history, and interdisciplinary collaboration. Each exhibit told a unique story of discovery, innovation, and the unyielding spirit of scientific inquiry. The science fair was not just an event, it was a celebration of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It showcased the transformative power of science to shape our understanding of the world and propel us into a future where the boundaries of possibility are continually pushed. As I exited the exhibition hall, I couldn't help but feel a renewed sense of awe and appreciation for the remarkable achievements of the young scientists who had brought the fair to life. In the twilight glow of the setting sun, I left the science fair with a profound sense of optimism for the future. The seeds of curiosity and innovation planted by these young minds would undoubtedly blossom into a garden of progress, propelling humanity toward new horizons of discovery. The science fair had not only educated and inspired, but had also ignited a spark within every visitor, a spark that would, in turn, contribute to the ever-expanding tapestry of human knowledge.